Welcome. Thank you for your participation at this important event at Faraone Industrie. Elevah 40 is a special product for us. It has received international awards, for example, the IAPA Award in Washington in 2015. It is the first evolution of low-level access in the world. Today, together with our colleagues, we are going to introduce the market of reference of the Elevah 40 range. We are going to discover how was born this project, a project that combines creativity and sophisticated technology. We introduced a new generation of Elevah 40 and all available versions. We found out in which sectors they can be employed and how. We will discover how they can be customized thanks to a wide range of accessories, which are not standard but optional. The Elevah 40 range allows to save time, money and troubles. We are going to find out the current prices that are very competitive in comparison to their performance. We will make reference also to lead time. Most of all, we are very pleased to answer to your queries. We found out the reference market of Elevah 40. If we look around us, we notice that most of works at height reach the maximum working height of 4 meters. Shops usually have a ceiling height of 3 meters. Shopping centers have many ceilings less than 4 meters height. In shops or shopping centers, ladders and scaffoldings are usually used for works at height. We are talking about a market of hundreds of thousands of units. Why can you no longer use a ladder? With regard to this question, I would like to show you a video that explains the correct way of using a ladder. If you want to use a ladder to do works at height, you can choose it only in case you cannot use anything else. Further to this, I have to tie it up, and the operator has to tie himself to the ladder. As you can see, the overturning risk for the operator is very high. As you can see on the video, the operator has to tie the ladder and tie himself to the ladder. The same when he has to work, for example, in the center of a room. There is a great danger of tipping sideways with the ladder. There are valid alternatives to ladders. They are stairs built according to the EN 131.7 standard. These ladders comply with the EN 131.7 ladders, that is, ladders with platform. However, this kind of ladders with their stabilizers have a footprint of minimum 150 by 150 centimeters to reach 2 meters platform height. In 90% of cases, you don't have such space. Furthermore, statistics report that 60% of injuries occur due to fall from height, that is, from ladders, and most of them are serious injuries. Work accidents are unacceptable, not only for the operator, they represent also a very high expense for the company where the operator works that incurs in penalties and hospital refunds. Here is the Elevah 40. With a few thousand euros, it gives a serious answer to all of this, to a large market that is using a very old tool that no longer meets the needs of a modern world. We have always been convinced that best things come out from tradition and from focus on innovation. Tradition gives us reliability, innovation gives us a future. The combination of tradition and innovation inspired the Elevah 40 project. It is the result of an extraordinary teamwork. Let's start with a Vespa and with a Vespa steering wheel, a simple way of driving. That was the main idea of the steering of the Elevah 40. Vespa was designed by an aeronautical engineer from our region over 70 years ago. In the new Elevah 40, we have an easy and functional driving, definitely intuitive, but with a sturdy base made of steel, laser-cutted, and a very sturdy telescopic mast, tested to work also under stressing conditions, like those one in the construction sector. It has an easy and functional hydraulic lifting system, activated by the controls on the panel control. The operator never takes off its hands from the panel control, and the controls are weatherproof. It has an easy access with double hand doors and handles. Ergonomics in the new Elevah 40 has always been the crucial point of our engineers in order to offer the maximum comfort and the maximum safety. Another plus of this project is its very compact footprint, even smaller than the previous one. It has a width of only 70 centimeters. It is very lightweight, without compromising its stability and its strength. 4 versions are available. 4 versions are already ready, with several customizations, and 2 additional versions will be ready soon. We are aiming high. We were able to offer a wide range of products that my colleagues will introduce later. For this success, we have to thank all of you customers that always stimulate us to do better. Thanks to your feedback about what can be modified and improved. Thanks you for that. A special thanks goes to our technician team and our designers. They found the best solutions, they tested and got them moving. Now I have the pleasure to introduce the main designers of this project. They have done their very best to get this result that you will see very soon. Let's start with the youngest, the engineer Valerio Arezzo, graduated in mechanical engineering 1 year ago with a dissertation on area platforms and a work stage at Faraone Industrie. Luigi Testardi is our expert on area platforms. He has been in our team for several years. During the lockdown, we had a lot of calls and talked of a lot of his children that were at home. And now I want to introduce our veteran, Mr. Orlando Quaranta. He has been working with us since the age of 16. It was the Commodore 64 era, I would say prehistory. Thanks to these technicians, as well as to all our colleagues of the different production departments, from laser to welding, robotics to assembly, as well as to our electronic and hydraulic partners, and not less them of the Finnish department, it was a great success. Yes, because in Faraone Industrie, people come first than machines. It's a matter of great relationship between persons that reaches our business partner and also end users. We are here today, however, we hope to have the possibility to shake our hands again, because relationships matter. From the easy and innovative electronics to every other detail to express the maximum functionality, from maintenance to transport, Another very important feature is the aesthetics, because a well-done thing must also be attractive. I've never received the answer, "You can do it." In the end, here we are. The result is a project with attention to every detail. I'm sure it will give us great satisfactions. What we present today is the starting point for a new project that will go even further. This philosophy in Faraone exists since 1978, when we produced basic ladders for olives harvesting. Thanks for your attention. I call on my colleagues to speak. Buongiorno. First of all, I would like to thank all of you for being here to share with us the birth of the new generation of machines. All of us know that recent times have been very difficult for everyone due to the pandemic. To react to such bad times, we are enthusiastic to introduce this new range. Let's start with videos to show you the new Elevah 40. The new 40 series includes 4 versions, the Elevah 40 Move Peaking and Elevah 40B Peaking as peaking versions, the Elevah 40 Move and Elevah 40B to do maintenance. In the video, you can see some differences regarding the certification and the way of use of each machine. Both versions are extremely compact, 71.5 centimeter wide, 100 centimeter length. In the Move version, the platform is available as an accessory. It can be manually placed and it has a capacity of 40 kilograms. The peaking version, on the other hand, has a standard electric platform with 100 kilograms capacity. Both versions have the feature of extreme maneuverability, thanks to the steering similar to the Vespa. Both versions are available also in push-around version. The control is very intuitive and easy to manage, both for what concerns the drive as well as the lifting of the basket that reaches 2 meters platform height, that is 4 meters working height. The capacity is 200 kilograms for one operator. An integrated panel allows the operator to monitor the functionality of the machine and immediately to understand the cause of an issue. The machine is equipped with controls on the chassis for the ascent as well as for the emergency descent. The charger is integrated. The retractable cable is standard. The new Elevah 40 range comes from the revolutionary idea of the first version, a machine that represents a safer alternative to ladders, up to a working height of 4 meters. At the same time, it is very compact, very easy and intuitive to drive, very agile in tight spaces. With a new generation of Elevah 40, we go even further. adding to the initial features a greater strength and stability, as well as a research for technical and aesthetical details. Now we show you a video related to the Move series with some application fields. That is where these models can be employed. In both sectors, the construction and industrial sector, it will be adopted even more strict standard in order to prevent and limit work accidents. Ladders are one of the equipments that mainly cause accidents due to their instability, the low protection, and also due to bad use of them. It is clear how important it is to find a safe and profitable alternative to ladders. The Elevah 40 Move is certified as area platform. That is, it complies with the EN 280 standard and it is tested by TÜV. It can be employed in several and different sectors, from plant engineering, for example, electrical, air conditioning, to buildings maintenance, offices maintenance, for cleaning of buildings, hospitals, airports, in one word, in the facility management sector. With the next video, we show you the peaking range with some application fields. The peaking range complies with the UNI EN ISO 3691.1 standard, the European regulation for man-up forklift trucks. It is also certified by TÜV. Even the peaking version comes from the need of working in a more efficient way while preventing work accidents. Thanks to the platform that is electric adjustable and that can be placed very close to the body, the operator is able to move its weight by sliding towards the shelves, maintaining a correct posture. It is ideal in shops where the shelves do not exceed 4 meters. Thanks to their compactness and maneuverability, these order pickers are the ideal solution to do picking activities in shopping centers, shops, and warehouses. In the next video, we show you some accessories with which the machine can be equipped to meet different customer needs. Each model can be equipped with several accessories to increase the operator's safety. We show you some examples. Devices for the ergonomic and the functionality are also available. Models are designed to be easily transportable and to be easily loaded on a van or a trailer. The various accessories of the Elevah 40 series are designed to adapt machines to any kind of need. Further to this, we are always at your disposal to find new solutions to make your work easier, to increase your safety, as well as to help each operator to prevent work accidents. On our website, elevah.com, under product page, you will find all models. And by using the configurator, you have the possibility to equip the requested model with the most suitable accessory. This is what we wanted to show you about the new Elevah 40 range. I would like to add just some information about prices, which will start from €5,200. Machines can be available from the beginning of July. And starting from the beginning of the new year, the Elevah 40 tires and Elevah 40 FL versions will be available. They allow to load a kit of tires or goods straight from the ground. So I hope that this short presentation has been helpful and that can make you, customers, even more loyal to the brand Faraone. I'm here with our CEO, Mr. Faraone. We want to thank you for your time and for your participation. Thank you so much.
Grazie e arrivederci.
Thank you. Bye.
Beh, arrivederci.
Bye bye.